Good morning. My name is Marion. I am from Vegepolys, one of the 5 French clusters who created the PIG organization. This morning is consecrated to get together, to get to know each other better, and I want to make sure that you keep in your mind 5 up to 6 words about Vegepolys. So be careful, I will ask you afterwards, but you can find all these presentations later on the different websites, but it is important to get an idea about what we do each other. So you saw before the presentation of Gino, he explained the PIG, the creation of the PIG. We met last year already in Paris. And now each of us, each of the 5 French clusters will present themselves. One of us, the Cereal Valley, which works more about wheat, is not able to be here, so you will get a presentation of them afterwards. Vegepolys, why a plant cluster in western France? We are situated in the Loire Valley. The Loire is one of our biggest streams in France, in the west part of Paris. To go to the Atlantic side, and there you find us. It's a historic question. Historically, when the kings of France was at the top of the French government, they wanted to eat, they wanted to hunt, and so we created a lot of things in the Loire Valley. So up to date, now we are the 3rd country in Europe for the production of fruit. We are the 2nd one for apple production and the 3rd for pear. So in our region, in the Loire region, we are the 1st region for black currant, the 2nd for apples, and we export about 50% of our apple production. We are also a big producer of lamp lettuce, 80% of the French production, of cucumber, early leek. We are 4th for the tomato production. We have a lot of onions, shallots, we will talk about this afternoon. And we are also 1st French producing region in some types of flowers. We are the 1st for potted plants, young plants, bulbs, for example, shrubs and lily of the valley. We are the 2nd national rank for flowers, for cutted flowers, and we are also specialized in seeds, mushrooms, the 1st producing region in France, worldwide leader for the Champion de Paris, the white mushrooms, and we are the 3rd French vineyard. So, as you can see, this is a small map of France, a very small map. We represent, so in our region, 4,000 companies with 30,000 jobs, 2,500 students, and we have 420 researchers which are working on the plant innovation sector. Since the creation of Vegepolys, we were created in 2005, there were 100 researchers coming to our region. So up to now we are 420 researchers in our region. So we are a unique concentration in Europe in plant innovation. Our association has 350 members. We have about 175 label projects in plant innovation, which represent over 90 million euros in investment and over 40 million euros in funds. So we have 100 incoming of new researchers, I already said, and we try to develop national and international partnerships. The plant intercluster, the PIG, was created at our initiative. Our main scopes, our goals in our association is to become the world's leading cluster for the production of eco-friendly and health-friendly plants. Which means that we want to create and to develop plants that lead to a lower consumption of inputs, as well as fertilizers, pesticides, energy, water, and that have a more favorable impact on biodiversity, health and environment. We want also to create plants as a factor of differentiation, and this is what we are talking about this afternoon in the more technical workshop. Difficult to manage. So we decided to concentrate on these three topics in research and innovation: plant breeding, plant protection and cropping systems, and plants for health, well-being and environment, human environment. The last topic is the resources. When we organized this peak meeting, we had a lot of answers from people we invited last year, and everybody told us, oh, we would like to come to see you again, we would like to meet the colleagues we met last year in Paris, but finance is a big problem right up today in the cluster organization, as well in Europe, as well in other countries. Even German, my native country, even German clusters said we cannot come, we have not money. We don't know if we will survive next year. So this is why we decided to talk also a little bit about finance. Could be an idea to see where you can get more finance for your own organization. With regard to Vegepolys, our members contribute to the financing of the clusters by 50%. So they have to pay their fees, of course, and they ask us to organize projects for them, innovation projects. The other 50% of the financing are guaranteed by the European Union, by the French government, and as well by territorial collectivities on a regional and on a local level. So I will pass now the presentation to our other French clusters, and I give the presentation of the one who is not able to be here.
How many people work in the cluster?
We are about 20, and we do have another association who works with us. They are 15. We do have Vegepolys, Innovation, and Plantécité, and all of them we are 30.